Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're trying to elevate your comfort game, you definitely need to check out this accent chair by Brick Attic. This has brought so much comfort to my husband and I, and we love how Brick Attic has their instructions very clear, so this is very simple to assemble. It literally took my husband like 10 to 15 minutes to put it all together. There's many things we appreciate about this chair. This chair provides great support for your back and support for your legs. So once you have it assembled, this goes perfectly in your living room, in any office room or your bedroom, contributing to that relaxation you need. This is great once you get home from work to just sit, relax, and put your feet up. We have been loving everything about this chair. The Sherpa material is super soft and gentle. And we also like this ivory color that gives our house that beautiful boho farmhouse look. You're also going to see that this has solid wood that has a beautiful finish. It's very soft and solid. This chair by Brick Attic is well made and super comfortable. You will receive so many compliments. This chair will bring so much comfort and style to your home, and that is our point of view.